morning, one and all present here. As you all know that in this lockdown, we are considering two things, economy and healthcare. For that, we are having an budding actual science aspirant. She is none other than Ms. Pranchi Khanna, and she's also pursuing business economics with her. And for taking her interview, we are also having a dynamic personality with us. She is none other than DTM Richa, who is a soft skills trainer, a head of Special Wow series, and an entrepreneur too. So this stage is over to you, ma'am.
Thanks a lot, Shubham, and most welcome to a winner who is none other than Priyanshi, who's a budding economist, I would say. How are you, Priyanshi?
Great.
Okay, so what do you feel are the career opportunities for you being a student of business economics?
There are a vast range of career options available, like operational research goes perfectly hand in hand with actuarial science and business economics. So you can be an analyst or work in any operating, because all the companies nowadays, they need an analyst to analyze. And of course, in these days, because you need to analyze the future problems that the company might face. So there are a lot of opportunities further in operational research and analysis.
Okay. Tell us something about your long-term goals.
My long-term goal is again being an analyst in one of the great MNCs, because I like numbers. Statistics is something which I love to do.
Okay.
So the companies, they of course they cherish people who have interest in research and development, and AI, of course, artificial intelligence is booming. So I'm finding interest in all these areas, and I just want to make my career in same.
Good. So do you have you shortlisted any 3 companies by now, like your dream company?
Dream company, not as such dream company, because I'm still a beginner in actuarial science, so I can't aim that high right now. I have to struggle. I know there is a lot of struggle, and uh, though I like, there are many companies that Mercer is the one. Then life insurance companies that might help me out. HDFC, Mahindra. There are a lot of such companies that go with actuarial science.
Great. Now we have another explorer who would like to connect with you. Over to Shubham.
Hello, how are you?
Great.
So my first question to you is you are also a loves to write poetry and also write pieces in English. So one tip or two tip you can give to audience that how we can write a good piece and a good poetry. Like how do you write that poetry? Can you please explain?
You don't need to formulate it. It's like it's something that whatever you feel like, you need to pen it down. Whatever you want to say to the people, whatever you want to convey, just write your emotions, and it will come out to be a poetry. Poetry is not that it should rhyme. Most of my pieces, they don't rhyme actually, but it's an outburst of emotions, and that's only needed. If you have, everyone has that urge to convey their emotions to everyone. So just write them down. That's it.
Sure, I'll be trying that and will be soon, if God help me, that I'll be a good poet too. And my next question would be don't you think that actuarial science job will be increasing? Like countries will be investing more on their healthcare. They'll be investing more on insurance part and healthcare part. So what are your future prospects like in healthcare industry? If you'll be going to a particular niche, what will be that niche and how it will be helping you?
Of course, healthcare industry, it will boom as soon as the lockdown. There's a loose on the restrictions. Uh, Analysis, research and development, especially AI. Like we are talking on through AI, artificial intelligence. So this is something that will boom a lot in the coming days. So there are a lot of areas in health. Uh, right now, there is depression, but it will rise, because as soon as the restrictions they get over, the companies that are that do not depend on people's behavior, that will rise, because people behavior might the companies that depend on people behavior, that they will take time to come up or to boom. But the ones that do not depend on people behavior, like health companies, you don't know whenever you get ill. You don't know. There's no warning that you are going to get ill. So these companies, they will rise after the lockdown, of course, and there are options. There are chances that these companies will boom.
True that. I like that answer too. That people will be like, if people are dying, they won't be like having tantrums. You will die if the like a medicine is not coming. So that was a nice, and all the best for your future interviewers. It was awesome to have you over here. Over to Richa ma'am.
Thanks a lot, Priyanshi, for sparing your valuable time and for sharing your views. Thanks a lot. We wish you a bright future. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.